How to change your age on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram app application here, and it will lead you to your homepage. Right now on the bottom part, you will see your profile icon there. Tap on your profile icon there, and on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on account and go to personal information. Now under personal information here, you will see your birthday, and if your Instagram is not connected or synced with your Facebook, then you can automatically change your birthday there, and basically you can change your age on Instagram. Now since here, as you can see here, I have linked my Instagram to my Facebook, then what you can do is to go here to your Facebook application and go to menu here and scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to tap on personal details here and go to account settings. Here you'll see a lot of options there. Tap on personal details, and here you will see birthday. Tap on birthday there and tap on edit, and here you can now change your birthday here. So let's say this birthday, and tap on save, and your birthday will be set on February to 2002, and tap on confirm. And now here your birthday has been updated. Now if you go here to your Instagram application, let's just refresh that Instagram here. Let's go back and do the same process again. Settings, and then account here, and personal information. And as you can see here, you have now successfully changed your birthday and basically changed your age on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.